Every performance tells a story, but some stories make us think deeply and reflect on our values. In today's fast moving world, we often get busy with our own lives. Forget the people who stand silently behind us, our parents. Parents sacrifice their dreams, comforts, and even their time just to see a smile on child's face. And yet, many times, the love they give goes unnoticed.
The skit you are about to watch, The Week That Never Came, reminds us of a simple but powerful truth. Love and time, once lost, can never be returned. Through this performance, our students wish to convey a thoughtful message. Respect your parents, value their presence, and don't postpone love because tomorrow is never promised. Let us watch this touching skit with open hearts and thoughtful minds.
सही कहा, कुछ कहानियां सिर्फ एंटरटेन नहीं करती बल्कि हमें स्ट्रांग बनने का मैसेज भी देती है. लेट्स वेलकम आवर टैलेंटेड परफॉर्मर्स ऑन स्टेज एंड एंजॉय दिस थॉट प्रोवोकिंग स्किट.
Please encourage them with a big round of applause.
With happiness and dreams. They forget their sleep, their comfort, and even themselves. The child grows, learns to walk, to speak, to dream. When the child gets hurt, parents don't wait. They run to the doctor. Years pass, the child studies, gets a job, and the parents feel proud. Then one day the child gets married. Slowly, parents are no longer a priority, they become a burden.
Sarita stands with a small bag, son and daughter-in-law beside her.
Ma, just stay here for 1 week. Our new house shifting is going on.
Only 1 week, beta. You'll come back, right?
Yes, Ma, I promise. Just 1 week.
She believed him because a mother never doubts her own child. Sarita sits alone. Mr. Sharma enters.
Namaste. My name is Sarita.
Namaste.
I just came here for a few days. My son will come after 1 week to take me home. He is busy shifting his house, so no one is there to look after me. So I came here.
Everyone who comes here says the same thing, Sarita ji, but very few children return to take them.
Mine will come. I trust him.
1 week has passed.
Hello, beta. 1 week is over.
Yes, Ma, I know. Office work is there. Important meeting. I will come soon.
Okay, beta. I'll wait.
What happened, Sarita ji? When is your son coming?
He said he's busy, but he'll come soon.
15 days passed.
Beta, today is Sunday. You can come today now.
Ma, guests have come home. Next week, pakka.
Okay, beta.
Now you should think this is your home. Accept it. He won't come, Sarita ji.
No, I don't want to stay here. He will come next week. I'm sure.
Month has passed.
Beta, I'm not feeling well.
Ma, don't worry. I will send money. I am very busy.
I don't need money, beta. I just need you.
Call disconnects. He answered every call but avoided every responsibility. Sarita coughs badly. Sarita ji, you are not well. I will call the doctor.
Oh, call the judge.
Judge? Why?
I want to ask the reason for my punishment and being alone, for waiting too long.
She takes out her son's photo.
When you were hurt, I ran to the doctor. Beta, why didn't you come when I needed you?
Sarita ji! Sarita ji! Sharma runs and calls the doctor. The doctor checks her pulse.
She is no more.
She didn't die of illness. She died of loneliness.
Parents give their whole life to their children. The children couldn't give their 1 week. Parents hold our hands when we are weak, but when parents become weak, they're left alone. In today's busy world, we often forget to value their presence. We get lost in our own lives and ignore their feelings, not realizing that they truly want is our love, respect, and a little time. Their happiness lies in our pride, and their pride lies in our good character. Let us make a promise to listen to our parents, to understand their sacrifices and not take their love for granted. Let us show our gratitude not only with words but with our actions. This performance may end here, but the role of our parents in our life never ends. Respect your parents today because tomorrow may be too late.
That was truly touching performance. Through a week that never came, our student reminded us the parents' love is silent, selfless, and priceless. As the saying goes, the greatest gift a parent gives is not wealth, but time, love, and sacrifice. Let this skit inspire us to value our parents not someday, today, because love delayed is love denied. A heartfelt appreciation to the team for sharing such a meaningful message with us. The message was clear and inspiring. Let's appreciate the effort of our students with a huge round of applause.